Bitcoin could drop 4.1% by April 30, based on 30 rates forecast. First, let's catch up on how the price has moved today. As of this moment, Bitcoin is up 0.4% in 24 hours and is close to $77,267.80. Let's see what the analysts predict today. Gulf Capital Collector predicts the price could move up to $78,100.40 by April 30, which represents a gain of around 1.1%. Bitcoin is likely to approach $77,374 per CoinLore, showing a rise of about 0.1%. Traders Union highlights it could be declining to $76,581.33, a potential fall close to 0.9%. Another prediction from 30 rates notes Bitcoin may fall towards $74,069, an estimated move lower of 4.1%. To finish, CoinDataFlow highlights a dip to $72,106.91 by tomorrow, 6.7% lower. This is the most profitable outcome. That's the full round of calls. Let's continue from here. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. According to the forecast provided, the possible change in price extends from a decline of 6.77% to a gain of 1.1%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that CoinDataFlow predicts the highest return with 6.7% gain in value by tomorrow. To sum it up, you could earn between $1 and $67 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probability, CoinLore tops the list with an 81.2% chance of success. Combining all 5 forecasts, I've prepared a single consensus outlook. Consensus trends suggest Bitcoin could stabilize near $75,646.33. Now, let's get into the numbers. The consensus view places the price 2.1% lower than current levels. As a result, your capital might also rise by roughly 2.1%. For a 1,000 setup, the forecast might correspond to $21 gained. And overall, the likelihood of this consensus projection for Bitcoin is estimated near 61.4%. To move things along, let's check the 3-day outlook as expected by analysts. Gulf Capital Collector anticipates calm trading, with Bitcoin unlikely to break out of its present range. CoinLore expects the chart to tilt downward. A bearish stance is meanwhile reflected in Traders Union's forecast. A drop is likewise expected by 30 rates, reinforcing the downside view. The outlook from also CoinDataFlow shows the price drifting lower. The consensus forecast signals Bitcoin will remain under bearish momentum in the near term. Therefore, most forecasts agree on Bitcoin taking a weaker path. 2 days back, 5 sites posted forecasts for tomorrow. That tomorrow has already passed, so let's review the results. As a result, the price ended the day at $76,337.60. The outcome showed that only a small number of the forecasts matched reality. The best forecast in terms of precision was made by Gulf Capital Collector. Time to spell it out. The daily price span included 2 forecasts. For ROI performance, multiple analysts managed to stay above zero, and Gulf Capital Collector led with 3.7%. Now showing the performance check. How each analyst's forecast matched reality. The stats for digital coin price show 60% forecast probability, accuracy, and 2.3% ROI. See if you can spot who came closest this time. Now we're moving to the comparison of tomorrow's potential returns for Bitcoin and other coins. At second position, we have Bitcoin, and Ethereum appears with an expected gain of 2.3%. This is just a preview with 5 cryptocurrencies, and extended comparisons across many assets are already online on my website. You made it this far, and that's awesome. If this was worth your time, a like would be amazing. See you later.